Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today I'm here with another tutorial video on how to export ChatGPT chats without copy paste. So without delay, let's move on to the video. First, open up your ChatGPT. We can always just copy and paste it, but it is not the appropriate way. So you can find an export chat option here, but if you're using a regular ChatGPT, then you may not find that option. For that option, you should go and download this AIPRM for ChatGPT, and after downloading this you will find that option, and so click on this export chat. It will be downloaded. Go to your downloads, and now you can have this ChatGPT conversation, and you can check out anything that you want, and you can export anything, and you can use these answers and prompts anytime. So yeah guys, it was that easy to export a ChatGPT without copy and paste. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.